Today we again discuss about the pair of linear equation in two variables by graphical methods. In graphical methods, we take two linear equations. Let the given system of linear equation be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. When we plot a graph, then three cases arises. Case 1. Both lines may be intersect at one point, as like this figure. Here is two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Both lines intersect at a P and satisfy by alpha and beta. Then it has unique solution. Because of it intersect at a one point and satisfy by one value of x and y by both equations. And this can be identified the relations or conditions a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. a1 is the coefficient of x, a2 is also coefficient of x in second equation, b1 is coefficient of y in first equation and b2 is coefficient of y in second equation, and it is said to be consistent. In case second, we see that both equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 coincide each other. When they coincide each other, then it has infinitely many solutions, and it can be identified by relation a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, and it is said to be consistent as well as dependent. And case 3, we see that in this graphical representation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 does not intersect anywhere. It means it is parallel line, and it can be identified by a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to by c1 c2, and it has no solution, and it is consistent. It is said to be consistent. Now we see that how can we plot any graph. We take some example. How can we plot the graphs when pair of a linear equation in two variables is given? For this we take two equations, x plus 2y equal to 3, equation number 1, and 4x plus 3y equal to 2 in equation number 2. Then we find different value for the x, corresponding x, where y equal to equation comes 3 minus x by 2. We put the different value of and we get respective value of y. Here x equal to minus 3, then it becomes 6 by 2, that means 3. And when x equal to minus 1, then it becomes 4 by 2, that means 2. And when x equal to 1, then 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 2 by 2, that means 1. We get three values by putting different value of x and we get respective value of y. Here we take graphs and we draw two lines. One line horizontal line that is known as x and x axis, and another y vertical line that is known as y axis, y dash, intersecting at a point. That is known as origin. By taking the points a minus 3 3, b minus 1 2 and C11, then we get straight lines. That means this line we get, that is x plus 2y equal to 3. Again, and extended both sides. Here is extended both sides. Again we take second equations, 4x plus 3y equal to 2, and we find the value of y by these equations. That means y equal to 2 minus 4x by 3. By putting different value of x, we get respective value of y. For here, put x equal to minus 4, then we get 18 and divided by 3, then 6. We again put x for minus 1, then we get 6, and 6 divided by 3, then we get 2. We again put for x 2, then we get minus 6, and divided by 3, then minus 2. And we again plot the graph on the same graph papers by taking point P for minus 4, 6, Q for 2, minus 2, B for minus 1, 2, which has already been plotted on the graph papers. Here this point is minus 1, 2, and this lines 4x plus 3y equal to 2. Both lines intersect at this point. Thus, by this graphical representation, we see that both lines intersect at one point. Therefore, it has unique solution and they intersecting lines.